Good morning or afternoon, depending when you're doing this, and welcome to this week's spelling test and the new spelling rule. You may notice that there's a different voice doing the spellings this week. That's because myself and Miss Walsh have swapped for a little while. So we have got the spelling test first, and you should have been practicing the spellings that we're adding our suffixes that we've been working on quite hard the last few weeks, adding the ing, the ed, so ing, ed, est, est, and the y on its own, making the e sound, to words of one syllable. What do you need to remember? Well, think about what happens after the vowel sound. It is a double consonant, so a double letter in the middle there. Okay, so there's your little clue. If you've been practicing them, you'll notice that they've probably got a little bit easier because they all have that rule in them. Okay, so if you get a pen and paper, and your first word is humming. The little boy was humming. Humming. And next word, runner. What a fast runner you are. Runner. The next word, number 3, dropped. Oh no, I dropped my pencil. Dropped. Remember, you can pause this if you need a little bit longer. It is hard to gauge how long you need. Okay, so pause it if you need to. Number 4, next word, sadder. The boy is feeling sadder today than he was yesterday. Sadder. Next word, runny. I like my poached eggs runny. Your word is runny. Next word, patting. The boy was patting his pet dog. Patting. Next word, dropping. I keep dropping my pencil. Dropping. Next word, patted. The girl patted her dog. Patted. Two left. Next one, hummed. The lady hummed a lovely tune. Hummed. Hummed. And last one, saddest. The boy is feeling the saddest in the class today. Saddest. Okay, well done. I hope that if you needed to, you pause the video there. If you would like to check your spellings here, you might want to pause the video and have a look at those. Okay. We are now going to look at your new spellings for this week. Okay, so we have got the sound or spelt with an A before L on its own, an L on its own, or double L. Okay, so let's see. Let's just move this. So the sound or spelt as an A. We already know the sound or can be spelt or as in horse, and in phonics we know this or as or shuts the door. Okay. We also have or spelt O-R-E. We don't actually have a phonics rhyme for that, but we will have probably learnt it through a story, and that's or as in score. The boy went to score a goal. We've also got or, A-W, as in claw, and we know that rhyme as or yawn at dawn. I like that one. And then lastly, we have A-U, or, as in author, or we know the phonics, the little phonics rhyme, Paul the astronaut. Okay, so we know those ors, but the sound or is usually spelt as an A before an L or double L. Now you'll recognize these words in a minute because, oh, hang on, it's not moving on, sorry. There we go. You'll recognize these words in a moment because the sound, these are the sounds before the double L. So when the A is before the double L. In these words, the sound or is spelt with as an A before double L. And you'll recognize all of these words because we call them in phonics our red words. Okay, we've got all of the children. We've got A as our or sound at the start. Ball, the girl bounced the ball. Cool, the boy calls out for his friend, cool. Small, the mouse was very small, and we've got the A there making that or sound. We've got wall, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, and we've got fall, the boy had a fall. Okay, and we should recognize all of them from our phonics. We call them our red words because they're not written how we sound, how we say it, sorry, but the A is making that or sound. And when we have these, the sound or spelt with an A before just an L. So in these words, the or sound is spelt with A before an L, and we've got, you'll probably recognize these as well from our red words: walk, talk, always, and all together. Okay, so you could have a little go now. You could write the A-L in the air with your finger. We do this in class sometimes. You can write it on the table or the carpet, wherever you're doing, and you could perhaps do it on somebody's back that you're with. Okay, and maybe you could guess what they are writing. So our spellings this week are all, ball, call, walk, talk, always, small, wall, fall, and all together. Okay, so have a good week practicing those. Hopefully there's some shorter words there that you probably will already know some of them. So good luck. Okay, see you later. Bye.